I welcome you all here at TBA Telangana Business Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you all once again that I extend my warm welcome to you all here at Telangana Business Awards.
And next we have Mr. Ramesh from SR Air Conditioning Engineering Service, category Most Promising Commercial Air Conditioning of the Year Sector, Sales and Services. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Ramesh. Mr. Ramesh, right there.
Just out in the color, baby, go tequila shot and just do that,
From there, yeah.
and just do that, पानी वाला dance. आजा साथ मेरे तू भले baby थोड़ा सा romance and just do that, पानी वाला dance. ये फूल में नहा के और भी नमकीन हो गई हो, स्विमिंग पूल में नहा के और भी नमकीन हो गई हो. You can breathe, so baby please, get me नीली आँखें सागर के जैसे मोती.
Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much.